Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact model and Android version so you pick the right method. This avoids bricking. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and enable USB debugging if you have access. If the screen is locked, locate recovery or bootloader key combo for your model. Make a quick backup when possible. Use cloud, a DB, or PC tools because unlocking can erase data. Next, gather a USB cable and a computer with the correct drivers installed so you can proceed safely. You now perform the core actions. Boot the device into bootloader or recovery using the model-specific button sequence and connect it to your computer. Then use ADB or fastboot commands or the OEM unlock tool. Enter the exact commands for your device. Mismatches cause failures. If required, enable OEM unlock in developer options beforehand. When a factory reset is the only path, accept the wipe. This clears lock credentials. Make sure to watch terminal output and confirm each prompt before proceeding. You finish by rebooting the device and completing the initial setup. The phone may request the original account for factory reset protection, so be ready with credentials. After boot, reinstall apps and restore your backup to regain data and settings, and run a quick system check to confirm sensors and radios work. If unlocking failed, recheck USB drivers, device-specific commands, and bootloader status. Make sure OEM unlock was enabled. If problems persist, contact the device maker or an authorized service to avoid irreversible damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.